Are you scared of artificial intelligence? Do you believe the warnings from the folks like Professor Stephen Hawking, Elon Musk, and others? Is the AI greatest tool to and for the humanity will ever create, or we are just summoning up the demon? For me, it's not AI that is to be worried. For me, it's human stupidity. Hey guys, it's Shubham, and today I will be giving a quick overview on human intelligence versus artificial intelligence. To begin with, I will be defining three terms named BCI, neural lace, and HI. Your brain consists of 100 billion cells called neurons, making 100 trillion synaptic connections. These cells and their connections make you do, think, and feel in combination with your sensory organs, that is, eyes and ears, etc. These systems shapes you how you perceive the world and sometimes in which you fail. That's where the neuroprosthetics come into the picture. The term neuroprosthetics describes the utilization of electronic devices to exchange the function of impaired nervous systems or sensory organs. They have been around for a while. The first cochlear implant was implanted in 1957 to help deaf individuals hear. Cochlea is a hollow spiral-shaped bone found in the inner ear that plays a key role in the sense of hearing and participates in process of auditory transduction. And since then, over 350,000 have been implanted around the world, restoring hearing and dramatically improving the standard of life for those individuals. But such a cochlear implant only hints at a very exciting field that researchers call the brain-computer interface, or BCI, the direct communication pathway between the brain and an external computing device. The vision for BCI involves interfacing the digital world with the CNS to reinforce or repair human cognition. You might have heard Elon Musk and others talking about a neural lace. This was a concept coined by a science fiction writer, Ian M. Banks. Banks described a neural lace as essentially a really fine mesh that grows inside your brain and acts as a wireless brain-computer interface, realizing certain chemicals on command. Neural lace is an ultra-thin mesh with a set of electrodes capable of monitoring brain function and facilitating direct computing capabilities from thought. It is inserted through the skull employing a tiny needle containing the rolled up mesh which unravels spanning the brain. HI, which means human intelligence. Humans have always built tools of intelligence. We started with rocks and progressively built more intelligent tools like thermostats, calcies, computers, and now AI. These are the extensions of ourselves. Then we have been increasing our intelligence through our tools. But now our tools became sophisticated enough that we are close to incorporate them into our biology and take an exponential breakthrough in intelligence. This is so significant that it will change us as a species. We are taking evolution into our own hands. Now the question remains is, will AI take over HI? The first step to answer the question is, can we mimic the natural function of neurons firing? If we will mimic that natural functioning and restore circuitry, or maybe if we will just maintain that circuitry, it begs the question to be asked is, could we improve that circuitry? Could we make certain memories stronger or weaker? Could we work with the neural code within the same way we will work with biological code, synthetic biology, or genetic code? How do we read and write to neurons? Well, these questions are still not predictable by me. Please let me know your thoughts. At last, humans are developing AI to evolve their intelligence to another level. But in reality, they have forgot to work on their own intelligence, which is lowering themselves. Thank you.